Hi guys and welcome back. We're back here again, this time upper body only, where we're using only our barbell, 6 exercises, 4 sets, 10 reps in each exercise, in each set. I already done my warm-up, you jump straight into yours and come back to me. Make sure the muscles and joints are nice and loose, ready to go. Now, we're not resting today at all. Grab onto your bar, 4 sets. You're not gonna drop the bar at all. Everything what we'll do today, we're hitting everything. We're doing back, doing shoulders, doing bicep, literally everything. Chest, we got a step ready. So the way we're gonna work today, everything's gonna be overhand grip with the barbell, not dropping the barbell at all. So if you need to take a quick rest, make sure you're ready for it. Take a sip of the water. You are ready to do it now, because once we start exercising, we're not resting at all. Okay, so as I said, you make sure you're doing your warm-up. Come straight back into me, as I always do in the first set. I'm going to talk you through each exercise and everything what we're doing. In next set, we're smashing it. We're going to speed it up, work them muscles. Okay. First exercise, we're going to start off with the bigger muscle groups, so we're going to jump straight into back, bend over row. So nice and slowly, I'm going to talk you through it. Overhand grip, as I said, everything is overhand grip today. We're not dropping the bar at all. Bend the knees, we're going to start from the knees, sticking your bum out and squeezing your lower back. From the knees to your hips, squeeze and lap, squeeze your shoulder blades, pause it for a second, drop the shoulders and arms back to your knees. We'll go for 10 reps, get ready. Starting now in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, people. Okay, 10 from your knees to your hips. 1 and squeeze it. Pause it for a second. Make sure you really give it that good squeeze. 3, 4. Nice and control. Head up high. Chest forward. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. Squeeze and 10. Okay, straight down. Nice and control. Nice and slowly grab onto your bench. I'm going straight down to bench press. Same thing, overhand grip, and you're starting with the bars up. Gonna drive the bar all the way down to the middle of your chest, elbows in, pushing it up and squeezing your chest hard as you can. Get ready in 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, drop and squeeze. 1, nice and control. Bring them elbows in. 2, 3, 4, 5 more to go, all the way down to the chest. Don't be afraid to touch the chest with the bar. Last 2 to go. Last 1, full extension all the way up and squeezing, nearly locking all the way the elbows. Okay, I'm going straight down to seated push press. Elbows in, nice and control. Now you're working your core as well. 3, 2, and push press above the head. Bring it back in, elbows in. 2, 1, press. 2, 3, 4, 5, almost there. 6, 7, 8, 9. One more, above the head, all the way, full extension, perfect. Back on your bench. I'm gonna lay it down. I'm gonna start off full extension. I'm gonna straight up to tricep extension. So all you're bending is the elbows. You're gonna drive the bar all the way down to your forehead. 3, 2, 1, and squeezing your tricep all the way. 2, 1, and 10 reps with me. Go all the way down to the forehead and 2, extending. 3, 4, 5 more to go. Give it a good squeeze, keeping them elbows in. 3 more, 2, and perfect. Okay, now we're gonna stand up, nice and control. Keep holding to your bar. Perfect. Okay, we're going straight down to shoulders, front delts, front raises. Soft knees, core nice and tight, back straight and arms straight. Lock the arms. You can slightly bend them if you need to. I'm going to bring it to the level of your shoulders. Pause it for a second and nice and controlled down. So you're working your front delts. 10 reps all together in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Don't forget to breathe. 3, 4, 5 more. Pause it for a second. That's it. Last 3 to go. Nice and control. And the last one. Perfect. Okay, nearly done in your first set and ready to smash it in your next one. Last exercise in your first set, bicep curls. We're gonna do these reverse, so overhand grip. Really important thing, you need to stick the elbows in. You don't want to have them all over the place. Elbows in, overhand grip, bring it all the way up, squeeze in, dropping it back down nice and slow. 3, 2, 1. From your hips, elbows in, stick them into your obliques. 2, 3, 4. Soft knees, back straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one and perfect. Okay, that was your first set. Did you feel it? Did you know? Right, we're gonna speed it up now. So I bet you will feel it now in the second set. Now you all know what we're doing. We're gonna start with the first exercise, bend over roll. Get ready in 3 and 2, 1. Bend the knees from your knees to your hips and speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give it a good squeeze at the top. Squeeze them shoulder blades. Bring it all the way down to your hips. Last one. And bench press. Straight down. Let's hit the chest. 3, 2. Stand with the bars up and go to the chest. Squeezing. Locking the elbows. 2, 3, 4. You make sure you bring the bar all the way down to your chest. Make it touch. 2 more. Last one. Perfect. Okay. Sit up, back straight, working your core. 3, 2, 1, and straight down to shoulders. Push press. 2, 3, full extension all the way up. 4, elbows in. 5, 6, 7, 2 more, 1 more. Back down to your bench, full extension all the way up, and going straight down to tricep, bending the elbows, bringing the barbell all the way down to your forehead, and full extension all the way up. Squeeze it nice and slow and squeeze. That's it. Do this nice and controlled. 3, 4, 5. Okay, last 5. Last 4, 3, 2, and the last one. Perfect. Okay, we've got last 2 exercises to go. Okay, we're going straight down to your front delts. 3, 2, 1, and squeeze. 1, nice and controlled. Pause it for a second, don't be afraid. 2, 3, 4. If you need to, you can bend the elbows a little bit more. 6, 7, 8. Almost there. Come on. 9. Last one. Perfect. Okay. Finish it off with bicep. And that's your second set done. Nearly halfway through your workout. 3, 2, 1, and 1. Nice and controlled. 2, head up, chest up high. 3, 4, 5. Nice and controlled. 6, come on. 7, 8. Last 2. Last 1, and straight away to the first exercise. Get ready, this is your third set in 3, 2. Now count with me. 10 reps, go. 1, 2, head up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Straight down to bench press. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Come on, let's speed it up a little bit. Get the heart rate going and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 5 to go. Full extension all the way up. Come on, give it that good squeeze at the top. 2 more. 1 more. I'm going straight down to push press. Sit up straight. 2, 1. Keep them elbows in and go. 1, 2. Don't forget to breathe. 3, 4, 5. Last 5. Come on. 4, 3 more. 2. And go straight. Hit it with tricep. Bring it back down to your chest. 3, 2. Let's go. Bending them elbows. 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna bring it low as you can. So you really squeezing them tricep and stretching them tricep hard as you can. 2 more. And go straight down to your shoulders. And perfect. Okay, sit up straight. Nice and controlled. And go straight down to your front delts. Get ready in 3 and 2 and 1. And let's go. Bring it to the same height as your shoulders. If you can bring it higher, bring them higher. Make sure you don't bring them lower than your shoulders. That's it. 3, 4, you can do this nice and control. 5, it depends on your weight. 6, this exercise could be tough. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Perfect. Straight down to bicep curls in 3, 2, elbows in and go. 1, soft knees, squat side. 2, 3, squeeze the bicep all the way. 4, 5, last 4 to go. Come on. Last 3, 2, 1 more. Perfect. Right, you got last set to go. Get ready. 3, 2, bend over rows and 1, 2, give it that good squeeze. 3, 2, and pull. That's it. You got last 4, 3, 2, and perfect. You're making sure that chest is forward and you're squeezing that lower back. Straight down to chest. 3, 2, bench press and go all the way down to the chest and squeezing at the top. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one and sit up straight. We're going straight down to shoulders. Nice and control, keeping them elbows in. You really want to bring the bar all the way up. In 3, 2, press. 1, press. 2, press. 3, press. 4, halfway through. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Press. Perfect. Okay, we're going straight down to tricep. Almost that you're halfway through your last set. Come on, people. Let's push this. 2, 1, and extending all the way up. Squeezing. Bending the elbows. Driving it nice and slow to your forehead. Low as you can. And full extension all the way up. 3. Almost there. Come on. 4, 5. Slow it down. Slow it down. 6. Perfect. Let's keep this coming. Last 3 to go. Last 2. And the last one. Squeeze. Perfect. Right, you got last 2 to go. Straight down to your front delts. I'm gonna finish it up with bicep curls. 2, 1. Nice and control. Let's go. 1. Drop it down. 2, 3. Almost there. Come on. 4. Perfect. Let's do this. 5. You got last 5 to go. You're halfway through now. Can you feel it in your front delts? Feel it in your shoulders. Last 3. All the way to the same height as your shoulders. And the last one to go. Perfect. Okay. Last exercise in your last set. Bicep curls. And 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Stick them elbows into your obliques. Overhand grip. You want to squeeze that bicep hard as you can. 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly down. 7, 8. Almost there. 9 and the last one. Come on. Perfect. Okay. Now you can bring the barbell down. Now you can shake it off. How you feeling? You feeling your bicep? Can you feel it in your chest? Can you feel it in your back or your shoulders? Where do you feel it? Do you feel it everywhere? That's perfect. Okay. As we done here, we didn't drop the bar. Now you can take a rest. You need to do 1 more of these. You need to do 2 more. You need to do another 4 sets. It's all up to you. Make sure you push yourself. It was a really good session today. Looking forward to see you next time. Well done, people.